Yes, very quick one, my people. My name is Ife Wanowo, Omote Biafra, Birobo Biafra from the coastal region of Biafra land, Orogu province to be precise. I just wake up now. I stumble see Barrister Ejiofor updates concerning DSS, the Zoo DSS. They not give access to our leader. Make una not forget say our supreme leader supposed appear for court on the 26th after the capture and since that day. And since that day now, they say make we patient, make we quiet, make we not react, make we not fight, make we not do this, make we not do that. Now on the 26th, after our leader was illegally kidnapped from Kenya, we patiently wait on the 26th. Only God know how we feel survived in this 26th. Then this 26th come reach now. They not present our leader for court. Despite all the warning where the whole world don't send come, they not. After they asked that day, I said, "You sure say Barrister Ejiofor, he don't see our leader, or he don't talk to her directly, person to person." Some people say, "Hey, stop saying what you are saying, doing this, that." Because the way me they reason my things, different from the one that they see on our things. So because they say, if you know how people be, you go know how you go take the dwell with them. The reason why they say and they talk all this thing when they talk now, be say. Those of them when they talk say let peace reign, mona quiet, we are know what we are doing this, we are doing that. And they let not say now bonk on now they talk about. Because our supreme leader is supposed to appear on court on the 26th. He not appear for court on the 26th. And then Peter Yanko give date and everything, hours when our supreme leader was when Barrister Ejiofor supposed to go to our supreme leader. Barrister Ejiofor and family and member friends go visit our supreme leader. Now the time and date when they give Barrister Ejiofor to go visit our supreme leader, DSS now they let us know say he not go see our leader, and they put us straight of Biafrans all over the world. These people have done something to our supreme leader. If not let they beat around the bush or made all this leadership, they try to calm everybody down. These people have done something to our supreme leader. Take this word, go bank, it not go bounce. Something is wrong, my people. We cannot keep quiet. Enough of all this our play along. And protest alone cannot solve this thing. Protest alone cannot solve this thing. These people have done something to our supreme leader. We cannot keep quiet. We cannot keep quiet any longer. Say peace or peace or peace. No. The Fulani government of Nigeria have done something to our leader. The leadership of IPOB and every other people who knows that they in one way or the other, they try to get access to our leader, they don't get access to our leader should do something. And they hear say they are not say every month they will go to shut. No, it's not enough. It's not enough. If these people refuse to bring our leader to court, and today for Barrister Ejiofor to go see our leader, they say Barrister Ejiofor cannot see our leader. My people, something is wrong. Something is wrong. Biafrans all over the world should wake up to the reality. Something is wrong. Cannot continue to the day silence. Maybe they see things they go wrong. Our supreme leader cannot just be in the custody of Nigerian government without any of us seeing him. When I see the picture, when I see with our supreme leader, they come and lock this window. When I see the picture where we see concerning our supreme leader, how our supreme leader looked for that picture. His face was not bright. The man did not look bright. We cannot keep quiet. They have done something to our leader. Biafrans all over the world must be aware that they have done something wrong to our leader. And anybody that is trying to calm us down, they are in conspiracy with these people. Anybody being IPOB or you are anybody, you are in conspiracy with them. These people have done something to our leader, Biafra. Let us wake up to the reality. Unless we want to accept, say, may they kill our leader, or may they do whatever they want to do to our leaader, we not get any reaction, we not get anything. Because even the way our body language and everything is enough for these people to harm our leader. The way everywhere is calm, they say, calm. Is enough for them to hurt our leader. They have hurt our leader, my people. They have hurt our leader. Something is wrong. We cannot keep quiet. Something is wrong. Monday is not enough to do this thing. Declare Monday. We can declare many Monday we want. These people, they're not going to listen. They have done something to our leader. Because they say 26, may we patient. They not bring and come up with wait. Now, DSS, Barrister Ejiofor supposed to go see our leader now. Barrister Ejiofor said they deny her. Why they go deny her? No, why they go deny her? Make it not go see our leader. Why they go deny her? At least 26 is, they not bring her come, make we assume, say, okay, that kind of mass standard. They don't go, they feel not bring a concord, but why they don't go let her go see her, my people? Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. If let me anybody come and something is wrong. Something is wrong, my people. Something is wrong. They have done something to our leader. Fulani government of Nigeria have done something to our leader. Biafrans must act as fast as possible. Whether all of us want that, we die. It's better me all of us die. It's better me all of us die than these people to kill our leader. It's better one of us die. It's better one of us die. I'm not agree. 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 They have done something to our leader. I'm not agree. They have not agree. I'm 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 not agree. Mother, wake up, my people. They have done something to our leader. They have done something to our leader. I'm not agree. Mother, wake up, my people. Mother, wake up. Mother, wake up. I don't agree. Nobody should tell us to keep calm again. Nobody should tell us to keep calm. My people, they don't do something to our leader. Anybody when they tell us to calm down is part of them. Anybody when they tell us Freemason the Kanu is part of them. I don't agree. We don't agree. I don't tell you that. I don't go believe what you see our leader for face to face. Say he can't talk for court or he can't give speech or they bring a court. When I say they don't go fit killer, is a permanent mind. Is this is that. When I see what did they happen now, who don't see our leader face to face? Who have seen our leader? Who have seen Nnamdi Kanu eyeball to eyeball? Who have seen him? Who have seen him? See, all these things they happen. I see the way that people were supposed to do the needful. See the way that they beat around the bush, my people. They have killed our leader or something must have happened. If they denied Barrister Ejiofor today for seeing our leader, something must have happened. Yesterday, Boris Johnson they host Kenyatta for one place. Say the friendship, the love, and the unity between Kenya and British. Saying that something when they're not going to compare and nothing. Say why they come together now for the growth of Kenya, for the economy of Kenya, of all time. And some people they comment for that, they let out they know say Kenyatta they part of UN. And so what? Is Boris Johnson not aware that their citizen was kidnapped through Kenya? Okay, they are letting us know that make we go kill ourselves. Anything we will like, make we go do, nothing they happen. They don't catch our leader, British can even tell them to arm our leader, say nothing they happen, say they go calm everything. Don't tell me stop crying. Now so that they do since they stop crying, stop doing this. What is going on now? Where they gonna go on now? Why they gonna refuse? Why they not gonna bring out court? Why they gonna refuse Barrister Ejiofor to see him? Why they gonna refuse Barrister Ejiofor to see him? Why? No, don't tell me that. Don't tell me control yourself. Not so that they bring control yourself. I cannot control myself. Control yourself. Have you seen our leader? Have you seen him? Have you seen him for the past how many since he was kidnapped? Have you seen him? If he's alive, let him bring. I want to see him. We want to see him. No. Don't tell me that bullshit. Say they are keeping him for election. I don't want to hear that rubbish. From United. If they want us to keep quiet, let them bring. Let him see it. That's what I'm going to press people's voice down. We're not going to press our voice down. But we're not going to speak out. Why? They don't get the whole our leader. We never see him. I said, we'll come for what now? Come for what? Come for who? Ogbonna, please stop that rubbish. Stop it. Stop telling me to calm down. Stop telling me that. Nobody get the energy when I use. Stop telling me to calm down. Nobody get the energy when I use. Stop telling me that. I want to see him alive. I want to see him live. Enough is enough. I want to see him live. I don't want anybody that place, we have not seen him. A movement that is over how many millions all over the world. Down in 26, we are supposed to see him. We not see her. Nothing. They said they even come out of the way there. Come and go to that place according to the information about the Barrister Ejiofor declined it. Declined that information, saying a lie. Okay, now they're supposed to go and see him, which he promised us today. We all of us are patiently waiting to hear from him. Then the next thing is that the DSS denials of our clients. Just yesterday, but the justice met with Kenyatta. And they said, no, keep quiet for who now? Keep quiet, say make it not vex. Say at the demand from my leader, this thing. Who I want keep quiet? Now you want keep quiet. Now you want keep quiet, Dave. Now you. I cannot keep quiet. Let it be that I speak. Let it be that I speak. And at the end of the day, you will not hear my talk. Let it be so. I cannot be part of. Keep quiet, and something is going wrong. I cannot be part of it. Let it be that I speak. The dead, the spirit of the dead Biafrans should be awake. So the case he won't destroy una when say keep quiet, so that will not be a mug. If the spirit of the dead Biafrans, if the spirit of the living Biafrans, the spirit of our forefather want to destroy those of you that is saying keep quiet, I will not be a mug of it. I will not be part of it. I will not be part of it. I cannot longer keep quiet. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. These people are taking our silenceness, our keep quietness for granted. Who does that? Who does that? They're going to come us down. They say they don't free any lucky wife. They use it Sunday go and they divert our attention. Our supreme leader. So far we don't come. Our supreme leader. Mazuna Kanu is in the custody of DSS. We have not seen him apart from the picture they brought out. And see how our leader look so weak, so tired. See how he looks so weak, so tired. You say I should keep quiet. Keep quiet for women, you know vex. If you vex, you not go jump for the government that show. In the craze, who be that person? Who be that person? When want me say make I don't make a keep calm? Who be that man? When want me say make a keep calm? Who is that person? Who? If you not like more than that place, they do whatever they do. All I know is that they have done something to our leader. If not, when I take this matter, go bank, you not go bounce. They have done something. If these people are really scared of us, or they are trying to they know how they feel, or if not the way we are handling this matter, they're not going to go to the extent and say we should not see our leader after not presenting in 26 for court. Huh? For what now? No, for waiting. After not presenting for 26 for court, do you know what we felt on that day? Okay, because we not consider everything that called the road for grant. Do you know how we felt on that day? You're telling me today again, when they're supposed to say, keep calm for you. Say you be your name waiting. Say you be who? They have done something to our leader. The bandits and terrorists are roaming about in Nigeria. Nobody has touched them. Nobody has done anything to them. Nobody has done anything to them. Nowhere in the world where self-determination is a crime. But the Biafra case, Biafra people have put their hands in between and their neck and let their leader to be captured like a criminal or like a piece of trash or like a rat and kept somewhere. And when if you want to talk, if you keep quiet, when anybody wants to talk, keep quiet, you are shutting everybody down so that you get your way. Isn't it? Thought I will fire anybody when you tell me say make I keep quiet. They have done something to our leader. They have done something to our leader. Take this matter, go bank, you not go bounce my people. Unless you not choose to quiet, unless you not choose to quiet, may they harm our leader and go scot-free. May they harm our leader and go scot-free. But if you not go listen to what they tell you not so, if I'm not even there in the position to the talk say, they hammer, they don't hammer. But nobody is more Biafra than me. Nobody is more Biafra than me to tell me when to talk and when not to talk. You are no more Biafra than me. He is no more your leader than me. If not like men and say woman for come aside, he's no more your leader than me. That is why I'm raising my voice. They must have done something to our leader. If they refuse Barrister Ejiofor to see him today, my people, they must have done something to him. Biafrans all over the world, don't keep quiet, please. Mona, not keep quiet, please. Mona will not keep quiet like that. Mona will not keep quiet like that. A protest alone is not enough. Something needs to be done. Something needs to be done. need to be done. British government, the Kenyan government, Nigerian government, they know what they are doing. They know what they are doing. And some people amongst us, they know what they are doing. They must have promised them. Don't worry, he will never get access, or probably something must have happened, my people, and they beg in the name of God. Make we start to the act. Nobody should calm you down anymore. Unless we see our leader, Koro. The only why they not bring her to court. Why they not bring our leader to court? And after they say they not bring her to court, they promise us today. Why they can't deny Barrister Joffa from seeing him? Anybody will never see our leader face to face. They can't see me say they talk. He say if they quiet, if they not speak, waiting pay you pass, now you go take pay. I don't care whosoever you are. Waiting pay you pass, now you go take pay. Unless you have spoken to our leader and you confirm that he's alive. That is when you have the right to tell me to quiet. Or you have confirmed that nothing has happened to him. That is when you have the right to tell me that to tell me to be quiet. If you have not seen him, you can't tell me say quiet. Now waiting pay you pass, now you go take pay. The kind of pain when I feel this night, it gonna be times 10 of the one where you go feel. What do you mean? What do you mean keep quiet? Keep quiet, say what's up. Now my voice nothing they speak, nothing they talk. I've been on the streets. We don't see what they happen. No, they see what they happen. Me they call it, okay, they call us social media warriors. So that's how it ends. No, that's how I want to make it end. Me they catch our leader just like that. Just like that. Then a few days time, the individual, no wonder things they go the way they go. Really. And we can calm them down. I'm not doing it to go destroy all of them when they start to calm anybody down for that place. I'm not doing it to go destroy all of them for that place. I'm not doing it to go destroy all of them for that place. Whosoever that is saying calm down in that place. When you have not spoken to our leader, you have not seen him. You have not seen him since he was kidnapped. Have you seen him? Apart from the feeding picture they brought out, he was wearing feeding picture. Have you seen Nnamdi Kanu? Have you seen him? So that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. 3 months go, 4 months go. You will not see your leader. Maybe that day when they say talk, say they will bring him up now. That day go reach and I'm not going to see him. They will not go see him times. They will say, calm down. Calm down. Abi, not be so. It not be so. Not be so na go do. Not be so na go do. No, not be so na go do. Chuko Kikabiama will stand for him, but Chuko Kikabiama will not come for heaven to come and stand for him. Our leader believed in us. Our leader knew what we can do. When maybe he said, if we find him, we did not see him. He said we know what to do. Who have seen our leader? No, who have seen him? Who have seen him? Who have seen him? Let the person take recent picture with him. Even if you don't want to send it to anybody, let him send it to me. And if you say, who are you for that to send the picture of gift? I'm not going to kill your children. He going to kill you. He going to destroy you. Anything where you don't ever labor for in your life will be destroyed in your eyes. If you say, who is you for that to confirm whether he's alive or dead? I'm not going to destroy you. You will see him. Let them send that to me. My sanity matters. It still matter. How I the fair matters. How I the fair matter, because now if I get good sanity, now I will continue this struggle. Some of them not consider how our mental state and our mental health day since one of these things they happen. Now they put all those things into consideration. How our mental health day, now they put all those things into consideration. How will they fare? Now they put that into consideration. You think it's everybody that have hearts like you? You think it's everybody that have hearts like you? You want to always calm people down? You think it's everybody that is strong like you? You think it's everybody that is strong like you? You think it's everybody? Let them bring Nnamdi Kanu out. And anything rather than that is bunker. Anything rather than that, say we seen our supreme leader. If they want to keep him for another how many months, how many days, but let us see him. Just so that we don't know what they agitate for now. If he's dead, we know that he's dead, and we don't know how leader that we are not, or probably another leader can emerge or something. We will know. Not keeping our hope, because they do all those things. No. I will not be party to that. I cannot be party to that, my people. I'm really this alarm for Biafrans all over the world to be aware that they have done something to our leader, and we cannot keep quiet like this. Then enough of the keeping quiet. Enough of the keep it quiet. Enough of it. Enough of the keep it quiet. Enough of it. Enough of it. No, don't tell me that. Early something, don't tell me that they are looking for evidence. What kind of evidence is that? If they are looking for evidence, let our leader, let Barrister Jofo see him now. If they are looking for evidence, we did not say bring him out, or we say release him. But at least let us see him. I mean, we see him, Nana Bati, my people, Mona talk shoot, Nana Bati say, we say, we see our leader, make it talk for court, or make we see him, Nabati, Mona, the reason, what are the reasons, so, Nabati say, make we see him for Nabati. No, my people, Mona talk shoot, now. No, they talk truth, though. All these people, when they see for the body, the Zoom government, the British government, all those people, when they utter word, when they utter, they are all of the day together. All those words now to calm us down. And what they are doing now, my people, is that we want to go do all those protests. They go say, make them stand far away. May they do this one. May they not go close to British embassy. May they not go. Mona, they listen, no. Mona, they listen, no, Biafran, so unless una want, may they kill our, or may they do anything to our leader just like that, without anything. Then after how many days, they know how to go about it. Mona,